Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss the case study sample question for the PL300 exam. So let's start. So the case study would be, you'll be given a situation. In this case, you have been hired as a principal data analyst for PBI CycleWorks, and PBI CycleWorks is a boutique bicycle equipment shop. The case is that to build an end-to-end business intelligence solution using raw data about sales information, product category, employee and customer information. You need to build and distribute Power BI reports using the Microsoft Power BI ecosystem. And what are the tools that you have available? Extract, transform, and load the data using Power Query Editor. Model the data in Power BI Desktop. Visualize the data, and then you analyze the data and distribute the reports and dashboards using the Power BI service. So now the question, in this case, is how do you give access to top management for analytical reports? So there could be multiple ways that the top management could access the reports. So create and share the report with everyone at Power BI CycleWorks. That might not be the most optimum solution for analytical reports specifically created for the top management. Create appropriate workspace for analytical reports and provide relevant access to the workspace. That could be one possible solution. Publish the report to web. That is no if you have some sensitive data. So the option A and C automatically get eliminated, or the first and the third. So you have, and then the fourth one is create an app for the top management to view the analytical reports. So in this case, the fourth option seems to be the best option, though the second option also seems like a strong one. So in this case, we'll just select the fourth option. So this is just an example of the sample case study question for the PL300 exam. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers. Bye.